Hi guys, welcome. This is Alexis Bonifacio and now I'm going to teach you how to play Logo app and
Great!
earn 160 pesos to 3,000 pesos. Yes, you can earn money by playing this game. So how? Let's get started. Let's go. First, you need to download the app via Play Store or just click the link in my bio and description box. And after downloading the app, you can just easily open it and sign in using your Gmail or Facebook account and earn money by playing and do the task given by Logo. After signing in, go to invitation ID, you can see it here. Then put my invitation number or code to have instant 160 pesos. After that, you can just play this game by doing tasks until you reach the 3,000 pesos and withdraw it via GCash, Lazada, GrabPay, or PayMaya. We have a honey coins here, a friendship coins that can withdraw Lazada, GCash, PayMaya, GrabPay. And by doing task, you can earn. Here's the task you need to do. The collect hive coins is this. The coins floating above your hive. Collect them and see. The robbery naman is this.
So easy to play. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Like and share this video.
Take note guys, after you reach the 3k honey coins, you can just easily withdraw it. Why? They will be giving you a task, which is the 15 days sign in, after that 10 days sign in, after that 5 days sign in, and after that this 1 day sign in. How to do this task? Here, I will show you. Go to competition and scroll up. You can see the season task. This is the task you will going to do. How? Go to complete, collect your hive coins, do the robbery, then watch ads, video viewing, online time. Complete this task and upgrade your hive. So that's it. By the way guys, in this game you need to invite new users. Why? Because if you really want to easily withdraw your funds, go invite your friends and family. Ako kasi hindi ako nag-invite. I just did the task given by Logo until I reached this 1 day sign in.
So guys, ayan, nakompleto ko na tong season ranking and this task. And sabi kasi nila makaka-withdraw ka na after 1 day sign in. At sabi nila parehas lang daw nung 5 day sign in yung 1 day sign in, na kailangan mo lang makumpleto itong task na to. Makaka-sign in ka na. So let's see if talagang legit. Oh, as you can see, walang nangyari. I'm guessing it because of kailangan natin sumali sa ranking. Dito guys, kailangan siguro natin makasali dito sa mga nagra-rank na to. And paano yun? Paano natin magawa? Kailangan lang natin mag-ipon ng coins. Itong iipunin natin guys, ito. This one. So, as of now, hindi tayo makaka-withdraw. So, if you want to play this, download the app. And if you don't, Edi don't. Thank you.